Welcome to the newly revamped marketing hub within GUS Gateway. Designed with agents in mind, this refreshed experience streamlines access to the tools and resources you need to drive recruitment more effectively and efficiently. This update introduces a brand new Explore section designed to help you quickly identify insights, opportunities, and relevant resources. Key areas such as the lead capture tool, co-branding library, events, and policies have been optimized to make campaign execution and applicant support faster and more intuitive. Let's take a closer look at how the new marketing hub works and how you can make the most of its features. Up at the top navigation, we can see the different sections of the marketing hub laid out in tabs. These comprise the lead capture tool, co-branding library, events, policies, and explore tabs. As we scroll down, we can see 4 icons that show the number of active leads you currently have, number of converted leads, number of live published landing pages, and finally the total number of landing pages. As we scroll further down this page, we can see the current list of landing pages, along with their campaign name, university name, URL, date of creation, and current number of leads. On the left-hand side, we can see the Publish button, which will publish the selected landing page. These landing pages can be published and shared via URL or QR codes to track student leads. Any grayed out landing pages are only available for active contracts, and each user has their own set of landing pages which must be published to activate tracking. Here we can see the team's landing pages. This tab also includes each landing page's username. Now let's click on the Leads button. This table provides a consolidated list of all leads collected through landing pages or bulk uploads. Even if contracts are deactivated and landing pages are removed from view, previously collected leads remain available for tracking. We'll now go back into the landing pages section. As we scroll down the list again, let's click Publish on the first landing page. Don't worry, this won't automatically publish the page yet. This just brings up the Review and Finalize Details page. Here, you can see fields to fill in with your name, company name, website, email ID, and phone number. Tier 1 users can also upload a logo, whilst Tier 2 users can select a logo from existing ones. If any information is missing, you must raise a support case before proceeding. Click Next to go to the second phase of the publish process. This is the Preview and Activate page. Here, the landing page preview will load, which you can scroll down and check. Once you're happy, scroll to the very bottom and click Activate to publish the landing page. This will bring up the Preview and Activate page again, but this time it'll show Campaign Activation Successful in green letters. Now click the Campaign Detail page link to the bottom right. The Lead Capture and Management page will now load. On here, you can access the landing page detail view. This page includes a summary of the campaign name, institute, total leads, and landing page URL to the left. To the center of the page, there is a landing page QR code that you can download. To the right, you can see a page preview section. You can click the View Page Preview button to look at this. Scrolling down the page, you can see a list of prospective student leads and another tab for bulk upload cases. Click the small down arrow to the right to bring up a personal details and company details section. Further down the page, you'll see the Select Logo section. At the bottom of the page, you can see a list of actions with Apply Now CTAs, along with campaign start dates, end dates, names, email addresses, and lead types. You can initiate applications with the Apply Now button. This shows the Bulk Upload Cases section. Click the blue Bulk Upload button to see a pop-up showing Bulk Lead Upload. Instructions. This gives instructions on how to bulk upload, download a template, and upload a document. Bulk uploads allow CSV or Excel files to be submitted. These are then verified by the backend team before being added to the system. Click the X to the top right to exit this pop-up. You can now scroll back up the page and click View Page Preview. The full page preview will now load. You can scroll down this to check it. Exit the page preview once you've checked it. We'll now exit the Lead Capture and Management section by clicking the small left arrow to the top left of the page. This will bring you back to the main Marketing Hub page. As you scroll down, you'll see your list of landing pages again. As the page we've just been looking at has now been published, the Publish button has disappeared. You should only be able to see a bulk upload option next to the landing page we've been looking at. Scroll back to the top of the page and click the Co-branding Library button. The co-branded library page will now load. Scroll down to see all brands with active contracts grouped by folders along with their respective assets. Baseline assets are pre-approved by brands and can be customized into co-branded assets using the user's information and logos. Let's click into one of the brands now, LIM College. This currently has 2 folders and 5 assets. Now click on the second folder you can see. It currently contains 2 assets. Let's toggle off the co-branded version and toggle on the baseline assets on the left-hand side here. Now click Go to My Account. This brings up the account section. We're now going to add a new logo. Scroll down to this logo selection area and select the first option. Drag and drop files here, or click here to choose file. Click into it. We can now see how we select a logo from our files. Here we're going to select this relevant LIM College logo from our file selection. Click open and then click upload file. You should see 2 green success pop-ups at the top of the screen. Now let's click on the bottom section entitled Other Images. Here we're going to add a QR code as an image. Select the QR code visible in the file section and click open. The QR code should now be visible in the Other Images upload section. Click Upload File. Just as with the logo upload process, you should now see 2 green success pop-ups at the top of the screen. Now the QR code is showing as having been successfully uploaded, along with the LIM College logo we uploaded earlier. Let's now scroll to the top of the page and click into the Marketing Hub tab at the top of the screen. Click into the co-branding library, scroll down and select LIM College. You'll now see 2 folders for LIM College, LIM Test and LIM. Select the right-hand folder with 2 assets. Click the tab at the top to toggle to Baseline Assets. You'll see here a list of baseline assets for LIM College. Here, we have 2 files in the list. Now, let's click the eye icon that's located underneath the Action header to the right side of the page. Once this is loaded, you'll get a preview of the entire LIM College flyer asset to look over. Scroll down the flyer to check the copy, design, and formatting. You'll note at the bottom a section for the company name, email, phone, and website. Now let's exit this asset. Back on the Baseline Assets page, let's click Generate for the first file in the list on the far right-hand side of the page. This brings up the Review Details page. This will bring up the 2-step flow. The first step, shown here, uses account information. You can see the same fields as earlier: name, company name, website, email ID, and phone number. Note at the top, data being used from your personal and company tabs under My Account. Click Next to continue. Here we can see the Select Logo section, currently with 3 logos, and the Select QR Code section, with 1 current QR code in there. Let's select the first LIM College logo, background transparent, and the only available QR code asset. Then, click the blue Generate button at the bottom of the page. This can take up to 30 seconds. The asset has now been generated. A green success pop-up will appear to confirm this. Click the co-branded version button to the right of the Baseline Assets button. Below, the thumbnail will have loaded and be shown alongside the file, format, date generated, and action download CTA. Click the eye icon to view the co-branded version. The PDF preview will now load. Note the QR code that has been added to right-hand side of the asset, and the LIM College logo has been added to the top left-hand side. Click Close. Scroll back to the top of the page. We're now going to look at the Events section. Click the Events tab to take a look. Here, you'll see a month-by-month calendar on the right-hand side and tabs on the left, signaling all events, events attending, and past. We'll now take a quick look at the Policies section. Click the Policies tab at the top of the page. Here, a selection of brand guidelines will load for GUS, BSBI, CCCU, CCTB, FCT, NCT, TRIBUS, and TSOM. Click View More Items at the bottom of the page. More brand guidelines will now load. These include UCW, UE, WASH ULaw, UOG, Webster, and LSBF. Finally, let's take a look at the new Explore section. This section gives a brief overview of the new Marketing Hub. Here at the top, it explains what the Marketing Hub is and what it's used for. As we scroll down the page, Section 1 explains what you can do in the Marketing Hub, from co-branded landing pages to marketing assets, events, and guidelines. The next section gives a brief overview of these 4 areas, as well as giving useful tips and an explanation as to what the different icons mean. Finally, at the bottom of the page, Section 3 provides some extra helpful tips and resources to boost your recruitment. These include generating leads using built-in landing pages, using professional images with branded materials, saving time with pre-approved assets, and driving awareness through events and digital campaigns. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using the newly designed Marketing Hub, and we wish you well with your recruitment.